Hi, everybody. It's Monica with American English with Monica. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today's phrasal verb is run by. Run by. There are two meanings we're going to review today. Ugh, if I can get the cap off my marker. Okay. Number one, to run by. When we tell someone about something and we want their feedback, we want their opinion, we want their ideas, we are running something by them. I need to run it by you. So notice with this phrasal verb, it's almost always separated. Almost always. I need to run this by my manager. I have an idea. I need to get permission, or I need to get their opinion, right? I need to run this by my manager. This is a person after. I need to run this by someone. I need to run it. Can I run it by you? When I ask, can I run it by you? I'm asking for your opinion about something I'm about to share with you. All right? So I might have a new idea, a new design, a new plan. Maybe I wrote a paper and I want your opinion. Do you understand it? Does it make sense? Is it good? Do you have any opinions? Do you have any feedback? We are running things by other people all the time, especially at work. We often need to run things by a boss for like permission. If you think about purchasing something, if you have a job and you need to order some more office supplies or you need a new desk, well, you can't just purchase those things without running it by someone, right? You might need permission to spend some money. So when we run things by others, we are telling someone something and expecting some feedback. So to tell someone, we always have to have a person involved in this phrasal verb. There has to be a person involved. Okay? So to tell someone something, and you are expecting feedback. To tell someone something and expecting feedback. And like I said, the feedback might be, no, that's not a good idea. Or, yes, I do understand what you said. You can print it. Or, no, we don't have money in the budget right now for that. But thanks for running it by me. Okay, so make sure there are 4 parts of the person. Sometimes if the phrasal verb comes near the end of the sentence, it doesn't get separated. It's very unusual to say it like that. But sometimes we say the client has some new ideas they want to run by us. Okay? My students have requests for phrasal verbs that they run by me. I love when you request phrasal verbs, when you give examples, when you have questions. It's awesome. It really helps me be a better teacher. So if you have any examples of something that you have had to run by someone else, yeah, let me know. Maybe you had an idea at work or maybe at school or at home. You need to run it by your parents or run it by your teacher or run it by your boss. Yeah, I'd love to see some examples of this phrasal verb. It's a good one to know. The other use that we have for this phrasal verb, it's when we have a brief, casual visit or a little short errand. We need to go in and out really quickly. We might say, I will run by later. So I'll run by your office later and grab the papers. I'll run by the coffee shop and pick up something for breakfast. I'll run by my neighbor's house tomorrow because she wants to see me. So it means like a quick, the second meaning is a brief, casual visit. Yeah, I'll run by later and say hi. All right. Yeah. These are the two meanings for run by. But the phrasal verb, the most common one when you're seeking permission or feedback from someone, almost always you will see it divided, separated. Run it by. Run this by someone. Go run it by your friends and see what they think. Yeah. I ran it by them yesterday and they loved the idea. All right, you can conjugate. I'm running it by, I ran it by. I'd love to hear your questions or your examples with this. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you. And I know a lot of you follow every week, and I appreciate that. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you can subscribe and ring the bell because I'm starting to add some other little shorter videos here and there. And we're going to be planning our live YouTube lesson soon because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So when we get to 1,000, I'll do some live classroom lessons with you on YouTube and you can ask me questions right away. I'm really excited about it. So keep sharing my channel with your friends and your colleagues, and I will see you next time. Bye.